sounds of vowel A. Read the words aloud. Hat, mat, cat, bag, rag, tag. Read some more words with sounds of vowel A. Car, bar, jar, star, dam, jam, mam, ram, hey, say, ray, day, talk, walk, chalk, stalk. Read, add, dad, pad, had, bad, and ban, can, ran, pan, app, sap, tap, cap, lap, at, fat, sat, pat, hat. Words: lay, day, ray, bay, all, call, tall, hall, wall, came, name, same, tame. Read and rhyme. The cat met a rat, the rat had a cat. They sat on the mat, they had a chat. The cat met a rat, the rat had a mat. They sat on the mat, they had a chat.